y'all, welcome back to Super Geeked. I'm Victoria and today we're opening some more mystery boxes. If you didn't see my last unboxing, I unboxed 2 shoe boxes from a new wholesale company called America's Thrift Supply. Well, my boxes were so awesome that I bought 2 more as soon as they became available again. Now, if you haven't heard of America's Thrift Supply, that is okay. They're brand new, so it makes sense that you wouldn't have necessarily heard of them. But they are a division of America's Thrift Stores, and from what I understand, they're taking all of the inventory that's unsold at the America's Thrift Stores, they're sending them to their warehouse in Birmingham, and they're either creating mystery boxes for resellers or micro bales for resellers. So it definitely is geared towards the reseller. At least that's what they were advertising. So, like I said, so as soon as the shoe boxes came available, I grabbed 2 more. But before I break into these boxes and show you what I got on round 2 of the shoes, I do want to say this is a collaboration video with my 2 local reselling friends, Alicia from Murrayed Life and Tanya from Double T's Treasures. So, below in the description, you will find linked their videos of their unboxings. Tanya got 2 of the same boxes I got, and Alicia got 1. So definitely head over and check out their videos when you're done watching this one and see if they had the same experience. And I know you're gonna say, Victoria, get into it, pop into these boxes, but I wanna say something else first. I have peeked in these boxes and I am not too excited about what's in them. There was only 1 pair of shoes that I actually would have sourced to resell, which is really crazy because my first 2 boxes were good. The first one was good. The second one I would say was great. Also, in the first 2 boxes I unboxed from America's Thrift Supply, which by the way was their first round of boxes, were bubbles and these FedEx padded mailers. So they were in there to cushion the shoes so they weren't moving around as much. Those are not in these boxes. And one of these boxes was not very clean. So I have just peeked, just kind of did a preliminary look at the shoes. So I'm gonna take them all out and show them to you, and you tell me what you think. Do you think that there's sort of a quality control issue? Also, the thing that I loved about my last 2 boxes was that the last 2 boxes, the shoes looked like they were brand new. So they were very careful to select shoes that were new or like new condition. There was no damage on any of the shoes I got, except for 1 pair was kind of worn, but really not that bad compared to what we normally see in mystery boxes. So I was surprised. I was actually very happy, and I thought even if my next 2 boxes didn't have great brands, at least they would be like new. And that didn't happen in these boxes. So I think there's a quality control issue. So let's open the first box. Okay, right on top are these boots that look like Uggs, but they're not. They're Eskies, and these are, you know, just a little dirty, but nothing I couldn't clean up. The bottoms look okay, so not too disappointed. Okay, and then looking at these, they're 2 different sizes, but wait. I actually got 2 pair of these. So I got a pair in a size 9 and a pair in a size 10. And yeah, the resale value on this is not very high. I will be popping up comps so that you can see what the resale value on each of these shoes is to see if this is something that you would be interested in. Also, these boxes are $19.99 a piece. They're supposed to be heels, shoes, or sneakers. And you get 10 pairs for $19.99, but there's $15 shipping. So it ends up being about $35 for the box. Next shoes are these. They're a brand that I wouldn't pick up to resell. They're Fergalicious, but these are in good condition. So no complaint on the condition on these. But just not a brand that I would be, just not a brand I'd be super excited about. Okay, next up is a brand called Rockin' Candy. And they're just these little olive colored boots. They're okay, again, not a brand I would pick up to resell, but in good condition, so I'll pop up the comps. Okay, I was excited when I saw these, so they are UGG. So UGG would be great, right? Except for, if you notice on the front, there used to be a strap right here that was cut off, and then you can also see where it was cut here, and here. So they're in, you know, good condition. No complaints on the condition on these, except for they're damaged. So can't really resell those. Next up are these over-the-knee boots in this wild cheetah print. They are by the brand Anne Michelle. And by the way, this is the better box of the two. So, you know, I'll probably still sell these just because they're an over-the-knee boot. I mean, I think they'll sell, they just won't have high comps. And on this box, I think I'll make my money back simply on one pair of shoes. So I'm not upset, but they are damaged. So here is another pair of damaged shoes. There was a button or something there that's now missing, but they're Canyon River Blues. So I probably won't sell these because they're damaged. I'll just redonate them. There's the button that was supposed to be on there. I mean, maybe I could find another button and sew it on. I don't know. Do I want to put that much work into something like these? If they were UGG, I would definitely do that, but I don't know. So here are a pair of sneakers that are nice. These are very clean. Check out the bottom on those. So happy with these. They're Asics. And so I definitely will sell these. Okay, and these are the shoes I was most excited about. They are these cute little olive colored suede sneakers. These are the ones I said I would have picked up in the store. They are Fry & Company, which is Fry. These are cute. These are the shoes I think will make my money back on the box. So at least I'm not out money. That makes me happy. And the last pair of boots, these obviously are new. They were originally $80. There's hair. But they're from JCPenney's and they are all man-made materials. So their comps on these probably won't be that high, but since they're new with tags, definitely gonna sell whatever I can to try to recoup my money on this box. All right, and okay, this is the first time I've seen this in the boxes. This was not in my other ones, but it is this little thank you. Here is my receipt just to show you that I did pay for this box. I did use another reseller's code, so mine were only $17 a box instead of $19.99, but there's the total I paid on both boxes. All right, so that's box number one. Okay, I think I'll make my money back. This next box, terrible. So let's get into it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, I don't know what's on these shoes, but I'm getting my gloves. Holy crap, okay. This was not in the box the other day. I did not see this the other day. I hope that this just did not grow in my house. Yeah, I'm not excited about this. Okay, I got my gloves. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm even gonna touch these. Luckily I have gloves in my office for when I'm cleaning shoes. Okay, let me pull my hair back. All right, oh my God, what the heck? So something has grown on this boot. What is that? Does anybody know what that is? That is disgusting. Okay, oh wow. I'm going to put this in a bag. Hello, where's their bag? Where's a bag? I think I have Goodwill bags laying around in my office too. Oh my God, I don't know what that is, but oh look, y'all, I mean, that is terrible. What is that? Okay, so that's going in a bag. Oh, I hope that did not get on all the other shoes. Whatever is growing in this box. Ooh. Okay. This was the matching boot. Oh, yeah, it's got it growing on there too. So something, can you see that? Something is up with these boots. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay. Hazmat, I need a hazmat. Whoever thought for reselling I was gonna need a hazmat suit? Yuck. Okay, well, that's one pair of shoes down. Okay. Whatever it looks like might have got on some of these shoes. Like, what is that? Can y'all see that? What is that? That wasn't on these. There's something in this box, I'm telling y'all. Okay. Well, these were some of the shoes that I thought were redeeming on these. These are a brand called, sorry, I'm going to keep these gloves on, Moretti, a black label. And these are actually men's shoes. I'm scared to even clean these, but the problem with this is, look, there's rhinestones missing. And back here, I think there was a bunch of rhinestones. Let's see. One of these sides, yeah. Right there, there's a bunch of rhinestones falling off. So at this point, I don't even think I should sell these shoes. I mean, I would feel bad mailing these to somebody, but I don't even know. But anyway, these are damaged. So even if I sold them, I'm not going to get top dollar for them. Okay, these also I thought maybe I could sell. These are Vans. Pretty clean, cute little old school. They just need some cleaning on the bottom. But they also have that stuff on them. Whatever that is that's growing. Okay, these are some Coach flip-flops. And again, they're covered in that stuff. So I hope I'm not damaging myself. They're not really on this one, but without really knowing what this is, I mean, these were in decent condition. I could have sold these, but I mean, look, it's on the strap. I'd feel really bad about selling those to somebody. So, yeah. Oh my God. Okay. These might not have any on it. These are some men's Steve Madden. And they're all spikes on them. Did this one have any missing? I can't remember. This one has one broken right there. So these are men's. Did I mention that they were men's? I think I did. Okay, these are covered in that stuff. Oh God, it's like, look, it's all in there, y'all. Do you see that? You see that? Oh, gross. Okay. So these are just some weird looking shoes. I don't really know what they are. They say fashion, 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 and a dude with a mohawk. And in the inside, they just say fashion. So these are just some, I don't know, men's shoes. Here's the brand on those women's heels that had the stuff all in them, so I won't be selling those. These are Pierre Dumas. And look, y'all, look how they got damaged. So because they didn't have good packing materials, look what happened to this shoe. I mean, I couldn't have sold that. And yeah. Okay, we're almost to the bottom of the death sentence. These are some Chacos. Again, not in the greatest condition, but Chacos still sell, so I definitely would have tried to clean these up and sell them. There's a little piece missing on the bottom of the shoe, but I think I still could have sold these if they weren't infested with whatever this is. Okay, not happy about these. Why they would think these are resellable and that a reseller would want these? Look at that. Look how many chips are on those that are missing. Oh, but it's on the other side too. Check it out. They are by Joan Rivers, who's been dead for a while, huh? And it looks like these are just falling off everywhere. So that's real cool. And just for posterity's sake, there's the other side with all this stuff missing from it. These are definitely not resellable. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Terrible. Yeah, I don't know what happened between the last two boxes I got on the last round and these. Not stoked. And I can't show you, but there's a bunch of dirt and crap on the bottom. Okay, these were the last pair of shoes. They are in the box, but they are definitely used. And they are some New Balance cleats. This one is missing all the cleats on it. So no cleats. And this one has the cleats. So one shoe with cleats, one shoe without cleats. And they are my kids' size, so I thought I'd keep them for them. But with this hazardous stuff in it, I'm not keeping any of this. It's going out to the trash right now. I feel bad because I really was hoping good things for this company. I do like America's Thrift Stores. I was excited to have a resource other than our normal, you know, go-to places like ThredUp. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed, especially after how good my first 2 boxes were. So it looks like they just threw a bunch of crap in. Whereas the first boxes I got, they were definitely curated. Somebody definitely handpicked those shoes to go in these boxes. Even if they weren't brands I normally would pick up, like for instance, J. Renee, I got a pair in each box. They were brand new. So I'm still going to resell them because, you know, I can still make money on them. I can't make money on shoes that are falling apart or covered in mold or whatever it is. So anyway, that's it for my video. Don't forget to go check out my girls, Alicia and Tanya's videos to see what they got. I can't wait to see what they got. I think their boxes were definitely better than mine. So you don't even have to tell me I didn't win. Yeah, so I guess buy at your own risk. You could have 2 amazing boxes like I did before, or you could get 2 boxes that are not worth it. So yeah, that's my honest review. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, stick around. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to give me a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.